Hi guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're talking about an article that as I've gotten older, I've become a pretty adamant about, to be honest. And the title is Life Insurance Medical Exam Ultimate Guide, right? So like each week we talk about a different vertical of insurance. So many of you already know how kind of underinsured our country is, right? Whether it be home insurance, car insurance, in efforts to get the cheapest policy, the cheapest insurance expense. People tend to underinsure, right? And then obviously some businesses, small businesses, then it's lack of knowledge. You just don't know what you don't know, right? You don't know what coverages you need to properly cover what's exposed, especially on a business standpoint, right? Once understanding the complexities of a potential loss come into play, right? Like car insurance, home insurance, we pretty much know what happens with those assets. But I'm getting off on a tangent. This article, right? So if you're reading it, great, right? Now, if you've chosen to really go ahead and decide to get life insurance, the reason why I'm pretty animated is that don't do it, right? Go all in. Go get the medical exam, right? Like this article goes through the pluses and minuses from a third party standpoint, unbiased, right? Like, listen, if you have a medical exam, if you're very healthy, bang, you end up paying a lower premium, great. You can have a no exam. I mean, this is where people's ears perk up sometimes. You can have a no exam life insurance policy. There are options out there, but I mean, it's almost not a moral hazard issue, but an issue whereby those people that are hard to insure don't want the carrier to know, and you end up being priced for it, right? So like, let's say you've got some type of critical issue, right, where you don't think you will be able to receive life insurance, or if you had a medical exam, it would make the premium way too expensive. Well, guess what? You don't take an exam, no exam insurance, that's going to be very expensive as well, right? So if those are your circumstances, then yeah, that might be the best decision, no exam, because having some life insurance is better than none at all. But I would say to still check both then, right? Go with the medical exam first, right? Just to see what's out there, because the chances are, if you go get a medical exam, the coverage is going to be maxed out, right? So you can get as much coverage as possible, right, in terms of a payout. And then the premium, who knows? It'll tend to be less than a no exam policy. But if you're a person that has past or medical issues, then it may be similar. It may be similar to the no exam, in which case the no exam, I would say more often than not, will not provide the same coverage as a life insurance policy where you've had an exam, right? So it all distills down to you're making the right choice, which is actually purchasing life insurance off bat. That's great, right? The next thing is just you've already decided to do it. Go all the way and see what you can get in terms of choosing life insurance that includes a medical exam, right? And then the article, I'll let you go through the article details. It tells you about how to prepare for that exam, and it's very it's intuitive stuff, right? Having at the top of your mind, or even listed out the doctors you've seen in the past couple years, what you've had done in the past couple years, and then leading up to the medical exam, if you've ever had an annual or a physical, it'll be very similar to that, right? So where you fast or don't drink anything prior to 8 hours prior to the exam and things like that. You want to be relaxed. You want to present your best, and in this case, best is healthiest version of yourself, right? Because then that helps, that obviously shows, and this article talks about it, the carriers look at this information and say, oh, this is a very healthy person. This is a very good risk. So risk is in risk of if we will ever pay out. And what is it? You'll be classified as preferred plus, right? Which is obviously hard to believe, but that's from the carrier's perspective, right? They segment people according to their health status, because it's a for-profit company. So that's the essence of this article. Once again, great job in reading the article and truly considering life insurance. Next step is go ahead, do the med exam. It oftentimes, more often than not, provides better coverage than no exam. And assuming you're healthy, you could also be coupled with a lower premium versus a no exam life insurance policy. All right, thanks for stopping by, guys. Sorry that we were kind of long this time. Talk to you next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.